Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by going into Play Store and installing free app called Voice Recorder from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on Allow in all pop-ups. Select Accept in this one, and click on the red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To delete it right away, you can pause your recording and click on Discard on the left. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to add a bookmark, click on this icon when your recording is unpaused. That's also on the left. Type in wherever you wish to or not at all, and hit OK. To end and save your recording, select checkmark on the right. Then hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To rename it, tap on those three dots next to its current title, and then select Rename option. Finally, type in wherever you want to, and when you're done, hit OK. Lastly, if you wish to delete your recording, you can hold it. Tap on this bin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!